Welcome to Bug TV's ClassBug MG. This is a production server software used to push clips and graphics with alpha channels into video production switches. I will begin by showing you what for this demo purpose. I've set up a little window here which is connected to the bug out, so you can see what is actually taking place. Just clear this and just put, let's load that. There we go. Okay. Over here, and we can look in the bug stacker preferences, and bug stacker preferences have a couple of things that you need to look at. The type of trigger we can be using, which is software, which is normal for the ClassBug MG, and also what we want to happen next after a given clip has finished. In this case, I've set it up for load next because it's very fast, but I can also set it for still and play next. So like that. Over here I have appearances. Now I can change the color scheme in the ClassBug MG window, and I can also change the fonts and the background color. And then finally over here I have the shortcut, which allows me to use keyboards, and then we have the keyboards, the keys that will actually create actions within the software. Okay, out of here. So this is so to begin. Now clips like these can be we can populate the clips in the ClassBug MG through from news automation systems or traffic systems using VDCP, BFX, MOS, and XML. Or you can just simply drag from a finder, and there it is. This will also allow us to move things around. Like for instance, if you want to change the order of the clips, then we just simply do that. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Let's just make sure everything's clear and we're ready to go. I load the first clip, and that's it. Now all I have to do, now in this case I've got buttons along here that will control the playout of the ClassBug MG, but I can also use the spacebar to show this. And as you see, it's now moved down to the next clip. It's loaded the next clip, ready to go. As simple as that. One of the things I would show you here is in this area, which is you can count up or count down. For normal production purposes, you will count down to the end of the clip, and you can simply change that by clicking in this area here. So there it is. Okay, now one of the things that we can do is over here, for instance, I will clear this just to clear so you see this. So this is this clip, and of course I can trim the clip. I can trim the clip, the front and the head and the tail of the clip, or I can select just a portion of the clip. But once I can do that just by scrubbing along here. And pick once I've decided what it is, I just pick I just select the mark in and mark out point. Over here I also have the ability to extend motion graphics by using a 2-point or 3-point looping capability of the ClassBug MG. So once I've made all these changes, I then apply, and everything's fine. So come out of here. Okay, and then the other thing that I can show you here is we can also, let's say I want to insert an event. These are the secondary event are options that are available from BugTV that can allow you to insert a GPI trigger to external devices within a clip. So at a given point within the clip, the trigger can take place, and you can see if I open up here, you can see it's now down here. So I can use a GPI trigger. The secondary event also allows us to use router switches. So if you want to switch between a pre-recorded, which is this material, or live, you can set a trigger point for the router to take place at the end of the clip, and apply it, and then it will do the switch on an external router. Let me take this off. There we go. Let me just, and then I think I've got to load this one, and then I believe I can play it. There it is. So if you have any further questions on the ClassBug MG, please contact your local BugTV reseller or contact BugTV directly. Thank you.